7 train platform. Male with a knife. Male with a knife. Get down! Get down! No! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down, please! Sir! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Yeah, I got you, I got you. Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! I am Lucifer! Gentlemen, I am really... I got him. Shots fired, Central. Shots fired, Central.
Right at me on 115th. $10.50.
Can't see how many deputies are ahead of me. 276 orders information, you're headed straight towards 848. Okay, all I can see is the red and blue. Please summon, I'm doing 45, 50. I can't see the motorcycle anymore, it's just us. Let 848 have it, so we know direction of travel.
Officer needs help. Officer needs help.
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
He dropped it.
Guns on the ground. Guns on the ground. We'll call out. We'll call out. We're gonna help you, okay?
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded and transported Bashir to a local hospital to be treated for the gunshot wound he sustained. While there, medical staff determined that his injury would require
Stay there. What do you drop? What you have in your hand? Drop it. Less lethal. Can't comp. Give me some more units. Don't make.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Drop the knife. Drop it. Don't get up.
Shots fired. More units.
You will be shot.
Don't.
50, clear that crash and start heading there.
See your hands.
Drop the knife, dude. Drop it. Can't comp page fire.
10-4.
Drop the bag! Drop the bag! 1713 making contact. Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Drop the bag, sir! Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Stop! I'm in apartment complex. Suspects down. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! I'm in an apartment complex just north of my vehicle. Suspects down. Turn around. Fuck. Fuck. Hey, come inside the gate. I'm in by the red truck.
Hey! Stop the car! Stop the car! Hey! Stop the car! Stop!
Get out the car, bro.
Stop the car!
Get out.
Stop the car!
Get out.
Stop the car!
Get out. I'm gonna crash.
Hey!
I'm gonna crash. I'm gonna crash.
All right, stop the car!
Crash.
Stop the car!
I'm gonna crash. Get out the car, bro.
All right, stop!
Get out.
Stop!
Throw the gun out.
Stop!
Throw the gun out. I'm gonna crash this motherfucker, bro. I
Stop
ain't
the
going
car!
to jail. Get out the
Stop the
car.
car!
Get out the car, bro.
Hey! Stop!
I'm
Stop!
gonna crash, bro.
Don't! It's not worth it!
Hey, it is worth it, bro. I got family, bro.
All right, talk to me!
No,
Talk
bro.
to me! Talk to me! Talk to me! Talk to me!
That's not gonna work, bro. That's not gonna work.
Stop! I'll shoot! I will shoot your ass! Stop!
I got a family. Just get out, bro. Please.
Stop!
Just get out the car, bro.
Stop!
Just get out the car.
I will put one in you!
Just get out the car, please.
Stop!
Just get out the car, please.
Stop!
Just get out the car.
Stop! I'm not gonna jump. You need to stop the car for me to get out.
Okay, you're not gonna shoot me?
Yeah, I'm not gonna shoot you. I would have shot you already.
Okay, just get out.
Stop!
please.
Stop!
I'm gonna get out. Just,
Stop!
I'm
Stop!
gonna go like 10 miles an hour.
Stop!
I'm
Stop
gonna
the
go
car!
like 10. I'm gonna go like 10.
Stop the
I'm
car!
gonna go down, bro. I don't trust you.
Stop the car! I will shoot you!
I'm not gonna do this, I promise, bro.
Okay, stop then. Stop! You need to stop!
Kill us, bro. You're gonna kill us, bro.
You need to stop! Hey, stop the car! Stop the car!
Don't do it.
Stop the... Stop the car!
Don't do it.
Stop the car!
Turn right.
I'm warning you, I will shoot your leg!
All right, I'm about to get out. I'm about to get out.
Stop!
about to get-
Stop the
I'm about
car!
to get out.
Stop the car! Stop the fucking car! Stop! I will shoot you! I will shoot you! Stop! Z5, shots fired!
Por ahorita, are we ready, guys? Yep. Okay, por ahorita,
Your hands on, give me Miguel right
párate de tus pies, señor, párese. No alcance por nada, ¿ok? No, manos en su cabeza, ¿ok? Entiendo lo que le estoy diciendo, ¿ok? No
se mueva, señor. Yeah.
camine para su izquierda poquito, poco por poco a su izquierda. Izquierda, hacia mí.
Where's the machete?
Despacito.
It's right by his feet.
No se mueva, señor. No alcance por el cuchillo.
If he doesn't,
Y
one more.
dice, no alcance.
Señor.
Señor, ¡pare! Señor, quédese, por favor. No.
Señor, manténgase allí. Si viene para acá, le vamos a disparar. Close the door.
What's going on? I can't see in there.
He has a machete still. Señor,
He's just holding on his hand.
He's bleeding, he's falling.
Señor,
Hey, all right. Let's get one on lethal, one on less lethal. Let's get a less lethal shotgun up here. There's one in the back of my car. We got the 40. We got the 40. All right. Somebody come up here, open that door. So we can get a view. Use your shield.
he's right there to your right.
10 feet in.
He has it.
Yeah, he still has a machete right there in front of him.
No, he doesn't.
He's on the ground right there, right in front of him. It's right in front of him.
Hey, senor, lay on your belly.
It's that way.
Lay on your belly.
En tu panza, ponte en tu panza, por favor.
Señor, póngase en su panza.
Ponga por su panza.
Hang on. I gotta back up here. Watch out. Watch out.
Póngase en su panza para que te podamos ayudar.
Alright, hey, the machete's like right at his hands. I'm gonna send the dog on him and drag him away from the machete. Are you good with that, Sarge? Yes.
Póngase en su panza, coopera con esas instrucciones. En su panza.
Start crawling out to us.
Gatea hacia mí.
Crawl out to us. Don't touch the machete.
Gatea hacia mí sin el cuchillo. Venga para acá. Ven para acá. Gatea hacia mí. He's not listening.
Still. 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 Good Stalin. Good Stalin. Good Stalin out. Good Stalin.
Hey, señor, señor, no. Hey, hey.
Good Stalin. Good Stalin. Good Stalin.
Stop! Police! Stop! Get down on the ground! Down on the ground! Let me see your hands! 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 Stop! He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Ah! 20 shots fired, officer down. Start medics. Where are you hit, Mario? Get back, get back. Hey, hold him, hold him. Mario, get down. I got you. I got you, Mario. I got you. Hold him, hold him.
I got it. Tourniquet.
Stay there.
Just stay there. 2525, I'm shot.
I think I got bullets too. Where you hit? Arm?
Right arm.
Got you.
I will shoot you. I'll shoot you right now, bro.
Shoot me. Nothing happened. What I should do with your weapon, man? You don't want to be that shit me. I said I have no weapon. Get the fuck out of here. Go. Go. Go with your weapon.
He's got a weapon. He's brandishing a weapon.
Yeah, go. No weapon. You're zippy.
Stop moving. Get on the ground.
Stop zippy. Knock it out. Zippy.
Get on the ground.
Come. Come here. I can do that.
One at gunpoint. One at
You wanna
gunpoint.
go or no? I said I have no weapon. I'm nice to you, man. What you say like that?
Get on the ground.
Zippy. Knock it out.
Get on the ground.
Get the fuck out of here. You gotta go. What you want, man? Sorry.
Shots fired. Shots fired by police. He's on the run. We're 1082. Show me your fucking hands. Show me your hands now. Go ahead and start me EMS 1039. Suspect down. $1039, all units. Roll the fuck over now. Yeah.
He's running right towards me in the road. Get on the fucking ground! Get on the ground! Get on the Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Show me your hands! Don't move! Don't move! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Hey, I'm going less lethal! I'm going less lethal! Drop the fucking knife! Watch crossfire. Hey, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. All right, hey. I'm gonna go less lethal. I'm gonna transfer. I got less lethal, all right? I'm gonna go taser. You got me?
Yep.
Don't move, man. We're gonna help you, all right? Need you to put the knife down.
Put the knife down. Put your hands behind your back.
Hands behind your back. Drop the knife. Toss the knife so we can help you. Toss the knife so we can help you.
Drop the knife.
Toss the knife. Toss the knife, man. We want to help
Put the
you.
knife down.
We want to help you, bro. We want to help you. Please put the knife down so we can help you. You got to let us do that for you.
Drop the knife.
Put the knife down. Ready?
Nope.
Put the
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Hey, hold here. Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on. Hey, stop.